Expanding self-awareness through meditation. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to lose touch with ourselves and our inner thoughts and feelings. Developing self-awareness can help us lead a more authentic and fulfilling life. One way to develop self-awareness is through mindfulness and meditation. In this video, we will explore the benefits of mindfulness and meditation in cultivating self-awareness and provide practical tips for incorporating these practices into daily life. The connection between mindfulness, meditation, and self-awareness. Increased presence. Mindfulness and meditation help individuals focus on the present moment, rather than dwelling on the past or worrying about the future. By training our minds to stay present and centered, we can gain a deeper understanding of our thoughts, emotions, and bodily sensations. This presence allows individuals to observe their thoughts and feelings without judgment, leading to greater self-awareness and personal growth. Improved emotional regulation. Mindfulness and meditation help individuals regulate their emotions by encouraging non-reactive awareness of emotional experiences. By observing emotions from a distance, we can learn to respond to them more skillfully, leading to a greater understanding of our emotional responses and reactions. This improved emotional regulation can help enhance our overall well-being and the quality of our relationships. Heightened self-reflection. Mindfulness and meditation allow individuals to reflect on their inner thoughts and feelings, leading to greater self-awareness and a deeper understanding of oneself. By engaging in regular self-reflection, we can identify patterns in our thoughts and behaviors, gain insight into our motivations and desires, and develop a clearer sense of our true selves. Enhanced clarity. Mindfulness and meditation provide individuals with a clearer perspective by quieting the constant chatter of the mind. This mental clarity can help us gain a better understanding of our values, priorities, and life goals, leading to greater self-awareness and more intentional decision-making. Practical tips for incorporating mindfulness and meditation into daily life. Start small. Begin with short meditation sessions of 5 to 10 minutes, gradually increasing the duration over time. Consistency is key, so aim to practice daily, even if it's just for a few minutes. By starting with short sessions, you can build a sustainable meditation practice that will become a natural part of your daily routine. Focus on the breath. During meditation, focus on the breath as an anchor to stay present and centered. Pay attention to the sensation of the breath as it flows in and out of the body, without trying to control or change it. This simple yet effective technique can help you develop greater mindfulness and presence during your meditation sessions. Observe thoughts and emotions. During meditation, observe thoughts and emotions as they arise, without judgment or attachment. Try to view them as passing clouds in the sky, allowing them to come and go without attaching meaning or significance. This non-judgmental observation can help cultivate greater self-awareness and emotional resilience. Utilize guided meditations and meditation apps. For beginners, guided meditations and meditation apps can provide valuable support in developing a meditation practice. These resources offer step-by-step instructions, guided imagery, and other tools to help you establish a consistent meditation routine. Integrate mindfulness into daily life. Incorporate mindfulness techniques into daily life, such as mindful breathing, mindful eating, or mindful walking. By practicing mindfulness throughout the day, we can develop a greater sense of self-awareness and presence in all aspects of our lives. The benefits of developing self-awareness through mindfulness and meditation. Improved well-being. Mindfulness and meditation can lead to improved physical, mental, and emotional well-being, reducing stress and anxiety. Regular practice has been linked to lower blood pressure, improved immune function, and enhanced cognitive functioning. By incorporating mindfulness and meditation into our daily routines, we can experience a range of health benefits that contribute to a more balanced and fulfilling life. Better relationships. Greater self-awareness can lead to better communication, increased empathy, and stronger relationships with others. By understanding ourselves more deeply, we can better understand and appreciate the experiences and perspectives of those around us, fostering deeper connections and more satisfying relationships. In turn, our improved relationships can further support our overall well-being and personal growth. Greater self-acceptance. Mindfulness and meditation can help individuals accept themselves more fully, leading to greater self-esteem and confidence. By cultivating self-compassion and embracing our imperfections, we can develop a healthier relationship with ourselves and a more authentic sense of self. This self-acceptance enables us to approach life with a more positive attitude and to better navigate the inevitable challenges that arise. Increased resilience. developing self-awareness through mindfulness and meditation can help individuals better cope with challenges and setbacks in life. By cultivating emotional resilience and learning to respond skillfully to difficult emotions and situations, we can navigate life's ups and downs with greater ease and grace. This resilience not only benefits us in our personal lives but can also have a positive impact on our professional lives and overall success. Enhanced personal growth. As we cultivate self-awareness through mindfulness and meditation, we become more in tune with our values, beliefs, and aspirations. This heightened self-understanding can guide us in setting meaningful goals and making more intentional decisions, ultimately leading to personal growth and a deeper sense of fulfillment in our lives. In conclusion, developing self-awareness through mindfulness and meditation can lead to numerous benefits, including improved well-being, better relationships, greater self-acceptance, and increased resilience. By incorporating mindfulness and meditation techniques into daily life, individuals can cultivate a greater sense of self-awareness and lead a more fulfilling and authentic life. With focus, determination, and a willingness to explore oneself, anyone can develop self-awareness and live a more meaningful life. By embracing the power of mindfulness and meditation, we can embark on a journey of self-discovery and personal growth, unlocking our true potential and fostering deeper connections with ourselves and others. Thanks for watching. Like, follow, and subscribe. Share with a friend.